आपकी याद पल पल आती है, आपकी याद पल पल आती है, उस याद में हर सवाल हो जाती है। मुश्किलें कितना भी बड़ा क्यों ना हो, मुश्किलें बड़ा कितना भी क्यों ना हो, आपकी मौजूदगी से हर मुश्किलें आसान हो जाती है। आइए इसी मुश्किल के साथ एक सवाल को आसान करते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। ठीक, आशा करते हैं, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग खुश होंगे, दिनचर्या सही जा रही थी। फरवरी का माह है, किसी का दिल टूटा है तो किसी का दिल टूटा है। आप यहाँ जोड़े हुए के जोड़ के सवाल को सॉल्व करते हैं। ठीक, ए सॉलिड इज मेड अप ऑफ ए क्यूब एंड ए हेमिस्फीयर attached and stop is as shown in figure. Each edge of cube measures 5 centimeter and hemisphere has a diameter of 4.2. Find the total surface area find the total area to be painted. In the previous lecture, we have already talked about such type of problems that one cube was given and there was a drill of cylindrical hole. And in this problem, the same problem is going on. First one is cube, and at the top of the cube, and the hemisphere is placed at it, and it has to be painted. How we will calculate the area painted? Let us examine. Let us see how. Now, if there will be no hemisphere on the cube, what will happen? The whole cube would be painted. अगर हेमिस्फीयर नहीं होता तो पूरा टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्यू की बात करते, किसकी बात करके? क्यू। अब आ गया हेमिस्फीयर आ गया तो दिस एरिया हैज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द अपर पार्ट टॉप ऑफ द क्यूब। ओके, आए समझ में क्या कहा गया? अगर ये हेमिस्फीयर आ गया, मान लीजिए ये क्यूबाइड है, ये इस पर आ गया, देखिए ना, आ गया, कैसे आ गया? तो इसको पेंट करना है। क्या करना है? पेंट करना है। ये इतना स्पेस ऑक्युपाई कर गया तो इस वाले स्पेस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे इसके एरिया से। ये कैसा पार्ट है? सर्कुलर पार्ट है। It means that how will we calculate it? Let us suppose before solving you have to understand the question 2 or 3 more times. Then the calculation becomes more easy. Let us solve. There, solid है, solid is made up of cube. So we total surface area with the cube is 6 into side square. Side has been given 5 centimeter, and the hemisphere is attached at its top. That plus cut surface area of hemisphere and minus this area circular part. We have to subtract the circular part of the hemisphere because it has occupied the space of the top of the cube. Okay? So now the total area to be painted, total area to be painted, ठीक, to be painted. Now we are in जोश में, we will solve question बड़ी होश में। ठीक, area to be painted, total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere, and minus area of circular part of hemisphere. Okay? Now this is the concept which is used generally in solving the mensuration problem. Such type of problems are also generally asked in mechanics portion, sometimes in fluid mechanics. The whole arrangement will be dipped in the container full of oil or water. How will you calculate the force applied by the fluid, and how much the such arrangement applying the force on the water? ठीक, आगे ध्यान दीजिए। Let us suppose how we will calculate dimension. Dimension कितना था?
5 centimeter.
Side of cube?
5.
And radius?
Diameter 4.2.
Diameter is 4.2. Radius will be get half. And seeing this value, we can use the value of pi 22/7. Its total surface area of cube, it will be 6a square, 6 into side square. Before solving, first write the formula plus 2 pi r square and minus pi r square minus pi r square 6 into 5 square
minus pi r square
plus this is plus sign plus pi r square 2 pi r square minus pi r square 6 into 5 square plus 22 by 7 and into 4.2 2.1 into 2.1. How 2.5 has been written? Please see here. Diameter of the hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter. In order to write the radius of hemisphere, we have to divide the diameter by 2 and it will become 2.1 centimeter. Now this the calculation has been given. Easy. 7 3 the 21, 7 3 times 3 times 21, and this will be 5 5 the 25. You 25 into 6, so 25 into 6, 6 5 the 30, 150. This will be 150 and plus 3, 2 also get common, so it will be 11, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 2 digit 1.26, and this will be the 150 plus 6 to 8 3 1 2 digit decimal and 183 meaning 361.86 centimeter square. Okay, this is the required area which had to be painted. Now we are going to solve the second problem, which is based on the tent. Tent is generally used in the marriage during the programs, orchestra in the field. You have generally see it. A circus tent है, circus tent is also used. Is it cylindrical है? This is cylindrical in shape, and the height of the cylinder is 3 meter, and the conical part is above it. Let us suppose this is a cylinder, and this part is a cylinder, and this is a cone. Then the cone will be surmounted on the cylinder only if the base radius or diameter of the both will be same. ठीक? So it means its base radius is 52.5 meter and slant height दिया हुआ है. Its slant height is 53 meter. Find the area of the canvas. How much canvas? Canvas is a cloth which is required to make such type of arrangement. Let us show. This is a cylinder. This is a cylindrical shape. The tent is cylindrical shape, and above it a conical part is surmounted, mounted on it. The height of the cylinder is 3 meter, and this is the height of the cylinder. The radius of cone and cylindrical part will be equal because both are surmounted, both are on the same base area. ठीक? The radius दिया हुआ है. Radius equal to 52.5 meter. 52.5 meter. It means that 52.5 meter, and the slant height. This is the slant height which has been given to. Slant height is equal to 53 meter. In case of cone, we have studied a relation that L square is equal to R square plus H square. We have learned conical part. L square equal to H square plus R square. From here we will find the height of the. There is no need of it because we have to find the area. Area, it means area, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r l. The area of canvas needed equal to area of canvas. Canvas needed is equal to needed. How much canvas is needed? First is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. ठीक? तो curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. This question is generally asked in 2 marks in CBSE. There is no calculation much. ठीक? Curved surface area of cone. The curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi RH plus pi RL. ठीक? तो we will take the pi r as a common for easy calculation. Then it means 2h plus L. 2h plus L, and we want to rub it and find the further solution. ठीक? तो पाई 22/7 and radius is 52.5 meter. It means we can write this at two 104
अरे 7 से कट जाएगा
105
अरे 7 से कट जाएगा
नहीं 105 सही है 105 divided by 2 pi r into h 2 into height of the cylinder. This is height of the cylinder
3 meter
3 meter and L is equal to 53 meter. 53 meter. So ये 2 gets cancelled 11 times and this gets cancelled 50 times and now we multiply.
नहीं
Later we will solve it. 11 into 15 into 6 59. This will 50.
885 into 11
Take 3 to the 6.
हाँ,
6
सही है।
39 59.
885 into 11
8.
885 into 11
8,800
So after calculation, I hope that you will solve it. Now I am going to write the answer.
5 into 11
Take 11 into
5 885
5. ठीक, so it will be 5 8 5 13 8 to the 16 117 and 8 into 9. This is the required answer. Meter square it has been given in meter. The unit will be the meter. That is the ball होगा. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है कि the dimension of a metallic cubite 30 centimeter, 80 centimeter and 64 centimeter. It is melted and it cast into the cubes. Find the surface area of the cube. देखिए इसमें बात है एक को पिघलाकर दूसरा चीज बनाया गया तो जब भी एक इसकी केवल फॉर्म चेंज हुआ मेटल वही है तो मेटल क्या है तो वॉल्यूम सेम होगा दोनों में क्या होगा सेम एक क्यूबाइट को जब मेल्ट करेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स बनेंगे तो मान लेंगे कि नंबर ऑफ क्यूब्स क्या है n है तो इसको एक फार्मूले में निपटा देंगे ध्यान दीजिए we can say that the volume remains constant volumes in this case volume of the metal will be constant volumes of the metal will be constant so we can say that the volume of cubite is equal to the number of cubes it is required number of it has been not given how many cubes has been formed so we assume 1 the volume of cubes is equal to volume of cube okay so LBH total surface area 2 times LB plus BH plus HL BH plus HL is equal to volume it means side का cube of side okay side cube 2 into L sorry for writing total surface area it has been asked volume LBH ठीक length into breadth into height length into breadth into height length equal to 100 ठीक and 80 and this is 64 and this is side cube if we rearrange it then we can take the cube root easily how it will be become 1000 it will be become 1000 and it will be become 8 square 8 cube easily ठीक it means side is cube side का whole cube the side will be cube root of cube का side will be cube root of ठीक 1000 it means 10 to the power 3 10 raised to the power 3 into 8 raised to the power 3 and in this cube root this way cancel the 10 into 80 we can get the answer side of the cube is equal to 80 centimeter and it has been asked surface area in this case total surface area had to be found in case of lateral we neglect the top and bottom of the cube so the total no one can want to the partially cube total cube मतलब top and bottom is also included so the total surface area of the cube will be 6 into side square the 6 into side square 80 square 8 is 64 6 into 6400 6 4 times 24 36 to 38 0.00 centimeter square Square. This is the
Required.
required answer. Start किया. Start. ध्यान देखिए. How many spherical solid bullets can be made out of a solid cube of lead whose edge measures 44 centimeter and each bullet being 2 centimeter in radius. तो यहाँ भी बात किया गया है कि हाउ मेनी स्फेरिकल सॉलिड बुलेट, कितनी बुलेट गोली चलाई जाए, कितनी बनाई जाए, किससे, सॉलिड क्यूब से. किससे बनाया जा रहा है, सॉलिड क्यूब से. एंड सॉलिड क्यूब का एज का मेजरमेंट कितना दिया है, 44 सेंटीमीटर. एंड द रेडियस ऑफ द बुलेट is in spherical shape and whose radius is 2 centimeter. That this has been again the volume of the material will be remain constant, and number of spherical bullets has been asked in the previous question. No number is discussed here. The number of spherical bullet is asked, and the bullet is being manufactured from the solid cube. Solid cube it means the whole volume of cube. It means we can say that the volume of cube will be equal to number of bullet has been manufactured. And let us suppose n is the number of spherical bullet and the volume of spherical. The bullet is spherical in shape, so the volume will be equal to volume of sphere. Volume of the sphere, and here we say that n, where n is equal to number of spherical shell, spherical bullet, not shell, spherical bullet. Spherical bullet, volume of cube is equal to side cube n into a volume of sphere. We have already learned that 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here radius has been given. Side cube, it means 44 centimeter. 44 whole cube n into 4 by 3, 22 by 7, and radius is equal to 2. The 2 into 2 into 2. कुछ ऐसे नमूने हैं, इसको क्यूब करेंगे, फिर इसको कट करेंगे, फिर उसको ले जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं सॉल्व करते, ये टाइम पास है. देखिए, इत्मीनान से दिमाग का यूज करेंगे. दिमाग का ठीक, दिमाग का कैसे यूज करेंगे, देखिए, नंबर ऑफ यूज करना है, डोंट टाइम पास. ठीक, तो यह हाउ विल राइट n is equal to 44 into 44 3 times, and this will be the whole numerator will come in the denominator and the denominator will come in the numerator. It means 4 into 22 into 2 into 2, and this is 3 and this is 7. ठीक, the 22 times 2 and these 2 get cancelled. 4 times 11, this cancel, and this 2 to 4 times 11 times, that is equal to 11 times into 21, and this will be 11 times into 1. ठीक, don't multiply 11 into 11. First multiply 11 into 21. So 1, 2, 1, 3, and this is 2, and this is equal to 1. This is 4, 5, 2 centimeter square. Centimeter, no unit. This has been the number of spherical cells. How will you write the unit of the number of cells? This is the required answer. Now we will move to next problem, question number 5. Now this is the hollow sphere. Hollow. All the world is dependent on hollow. The world is hollow. ठीक, hollow sphere. ठीक, hollow खोखला. ठीक, hollow sphere of internal and external diameter 4 centimeter and 8 centimeter. It means that the internal diameter is 4 centimeter and external diameter is 8 centimeter. If you are going to solve a problems of mathematics, then you have to read the problem 2 or more times, and partly you have to move it one by one. One word had to be focused on it. The hollow sphere internal diameter is 4. First internal diameter has been made. Many students are there. First consider this is the external. How the internal diameter is greater than external diameter. The first seeing the data, we can also easily estimate. We can find out a 4 centimeter is talking about the internal diameter and 8 centimeter is talking about the external diameter, and the whole sphere is now maintained to form a conical part, cone. The whole, this, let us suppose this is a hollow sphere of internal and external diameter. Let us suppose internal radius is equal to R1 and the outer radius, external radius is R2, and it is melted. It is again melted, and it gets to form a cone. Now the number of cones has not been mentioned. In this case, we will consider the number of cones will be 1. If it has been recasted into number of cones, then we have to multiply by n, by supposing n is equal to the number of cones. Now here the single cones has been recast, melted, has been formed. Take up radius it has been given 4 centimeter, radius R, suppose R 4 centimeter, and this the question has been asked about the height h and the slant height h, L, slant height h. Okay, so in case of melting, both the volume will be equal, volume of hollow sphere equal to volume of cones. Okay, the volume of hollow sphere is equal to volume of cone, and the external and internal diameter 4 by 3 pi external radius R2 cube minus R1 square is equal to क्यूब. ठीक, आइए हो जाएगा 1 by 3 pi R square and into h. ठीक, here from here 3 get cancelled, pi get cancelled, and we can easily find out the value of h by putting the data information on the questions. The information has already been mentioned. ठीक, so R2 h can be easily find out. R2 cube minus R1 cube divided by R, and R2 is 8 centimeter. The external diameter has been given. The external diameter was 8 centimeter and internal diameter was, external we have supposed D2 2 and this is 1. This 4 centimeter. So from here we can say that R2 is equal to 4 centimeter and R1 is equal to 2 centimeter. By putting the value we can solve it. 4 cube minus 2 cube divided by R is equal to 4. R is equal to 4 times 3 is 64 minus 8 divided by 4, 8 7 is 56, and this will be 4, it will be 14 centimeter. The h is equal to 14 centimeter. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the slant height. By Pythagoras theorem, we have seen that by Pythagoras theorem, directly we can use the formula that L square is equal to h square plus R square. Here h square is equal to 14 square and 14 square, R square is equal to 4 square. Now against rubbing h, clearing h, we can find L square is equal to 196 plus 16. This will be equal to 6 6 12 10 1 11 11 1 1 2 212. It means L is equal to square root of 212. And by prime factorization or direct using the method, we can easily find the value of the square root of 212. The 1 times, here we get add, here this will add 112. Now it will be 5 times 5 4 times. So it will be the 4 times 16, 4 to the 8 1 9. This will be the 4, and this will be 8 and 2 and 6 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9 equal to 1. By putting decimal, 20 comes at one random, 200 0. Now it will be 7 times, approximately 7 or 6 times. 287, 287 into 7, 7 times 49, 456, 60, 14, 6, 20. Now it's getting more and more. The 7 is 6 times, 6 times the 6, the 6. So this will be 6 times 36, 48, 51, 5, 12, 5, 70. Not will be, it will be 40.5, 40.5. So you can calculate the 40.5.
Very easy, right?
ठीक है from here we can directly easily you can use 14.5. By seeing the approximation we can also find out it is nearly 40. It is nearly equal to 40. The answer will be surely it will be 40 point something. As taking objective, you can estimate the answer 40 point something. Thank you for watching.